Most people don't know that they can actually make money with Chatgpt, a free AI tool in 2024. And this AI tool is actually free and accessible to anyone around the world. I mean, currently I'm in Nigeria and I'm still able to access this tool. My name is Ruki and welcome to join the family. So the first thing you want to do is go to Chatgpt, and for those of you that don't know how to use it or you've never heard about it before, just go to Safari on your phone, go to Google, whatever search engine that you have, type in ChatGPT and sign up. It will direct you to this page that looks like this. So what you want to do is to type in something like, give me a list of 20 most popular niche when it comes to book. It generates you a list of what you want. Let's go with number A, the first one, which is the self-development niche. Because self-development is currently trending now. I mean, everyone is talking about self-development on the internet. So that exactly is what we're going to be using for today's example. So I'll just change this right up to self-development. So it gives me really good books. So I am currently reading Atomic Habits, and if you've not read that, go and read it. It's very, very valuable. So let's use that. Now that you know how to get books from ChatGPT, a completely free AI tool, you want to sign up on Audible. Audible is supported by Amazon, so they are 100% legit. Audible pays you $5 for completely free. Come over here to sign up as an affiliate. It says drive visitor to amazon.com using Audible links and banner. So enter become an affiliate, and if you already have an Amazon account, then just change your account from personal use to the affiliate one. So just search for a book within the niche that you chose. I chose Atomic Habits, right? So I will just search that. If I click on it, it will take me here where it says continue for free. So you, as the intermediate between Audible and the customer, you are going to earn money because you are the one driving customers to the website. So now that you know how that works, just come over here and get your affiliate link. Another option you can use is a tool called Shrink. So Shrink will actually pay you up to $20 when someone click on your link. So after you sign up here, you will see your own dashboard. You can as well shorten your link, and to withdraw your money, it has different options here. So after you input your payment information, you'll be able to get your money into your bank account. So with Shrink, what you want to do now is to go to YouTube and search for useful non-biased related videos. So as long as the video is not promoting any products, it's good to use. So just copy the video link and paste to your Shrink dashboard. That way you're helping creators get more traffic to their video as you are making money from it. So the next step now is for you to create a Twitter account. So what you want to do is to go over to Twitter and create your account. Sign in with your Gmail, your phone number or username, and start. The reason why we are using Twitter is that Twitter is actually the best platform for you to do this. You'll be able to earn money through two different ways. The first one is relating with the book, like specifically relating with the book, and the second way is through the paid community. Once you promote this stuff on Twitter and you have a community, Twitter is going to pay you, which that one is even a bonus. So you want to go to the free version of ChatGPT again and ask the key focus of Atomic Habits, since that is the book we'll be sticking with. So just ask for the key focus of Atomic Habits. ChatGPT will provide you with everything that we need. So we are going to make that as a Twitter thread, because if you are very familiar with Twitter, you know that thread is what intrigues people the most. If you post threads, if you break your topic down into sections, let me say sections, people are going to be interested, so they are going to be able to read your thread. Take it one by one and go over to your Twitter and paste it one by one. But you are going to change some English, because you don't want AI's ChatGPT English to be the same as you. And some people, they won't be able to grasp the English. So just change some English to something more simple and something more comprehensive. After you've done that, then I want you to add some images about each thread. Like just add some images to make it more interesting. You can make use of Leonardo AI. Just type in generate something, like you just type in your thread and Leonardo AI will generate a image for you to use, hyper realistic image for you to use that, so that when someone come through your Twitter thread, they will be hooked by your thread and the picture that you used. The three different types of tweets that we are going to be making use of is the general tweet, the summary of a book, and the free guide. The general tweet is you just sharing insights about what you want to talk about, and the summary of a book is the thread that we just broke down, and the free guide is the guide. For example, let me just say the images or whatever free guide you want to go with. So if you actually approach your thread in that, or whatever it is that you want to promote, if you break it down to that three aspects, the general tweet, the summary of a book, and the free guide, you'll be able to make everything, the process, a lot easier for you. So go to Audible and get the link to your Atomic Habits book and paste it to your Twitter thread. Imagine that you are actually promoting a book that I am currently looking for on the internet. I know that Twitter, everyone is always looking for one or two things on Twitter or whatever it is you are promoting, and someone just click on that link for free. They are clicking on it for free and you are getting paid $5 per click. Like crazy, right? And one thing I want you to do is that I want you to create a community. Okay, just create a community around anything that you are interested in. If you have a community, you'll be able to get them to click on whatever you are promoting. It will be a lot easier. They'll be able to trust you and know you. And the way you can do that is just you can post a picture of yourself today, write something like, how are you guys doing, just the community aspect. You can post before insights that I am going to be talking about this book, I am going to be posting this book tomorrow, that kind of thing. Just get people to know you, get people to trust you. Post other things that are not related to your book or your Twitter. But I want you to treat Twitter as a business henceforth after watching this video, okay? And just do your thing. And don't just feel like you're going to get money overnight, but when it happens, okay? So imagine that just 10 people click on your link for free to reach something that they actually need. You will get paid $5 times 10. It's actually a cool way to make money to me, a cool and legit way to make money to me. So I wish you good luck on that. That leads us right into the end of this video. I hope that you guys gain something from this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.